Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Today we're going to be doing the 100 chicken nugget challenge. As you can see, we have our chicken nuggets, we have some sauce, we have juice to thaw it all down, and we have a timer. But the reason why we have a timer is for 10 minutes, because we're going to be doing this in 10 minutes, you guys. So let's get started. So I'm first going to start my timer. Be patient. Okay. Set a timer for 10 minutes.
Sure, 10 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, starting. It's starting. Grab the chicken nugget. So 50-50?
Take your time. How many you ate? 3?
Here's my 4th. We're still on 9. Here's my extra finger right there. 9.
Take your time. Don't choke.
Oh, no.
Mama should help y'all, huh? 8 minutes left, you guys. That's a lot of chicken nuggets, huh?
Do I have to eat all of them?
Yeah, you're supposed to try to eat them all.
So I'm going to shove them all in my mouth.
You can't do that.
This? Like that? I'm probably have like 10 or something.
Let's see if you can get 10 down. Think you can get 10?
I think I got 6.
That's it.
I'm probably going to get to 30.
30?
Oh, no. It's up 8. I'm trying to get this down my belly. I can't.
Get something to drink.
It's so lucky it's already pre-made. I didn't put my... Not going down.
Take your time.
7 minutes. 7 minutes now. I'm at 8 minutes left.
This is like your after school snack, huh?
No.
Y'all be hungry after school.
I'm not going to eat until
Later.
a long time.
Mm-hmm. Right, you're doing good.
Time for now. Keep track of what you're eating. So I think right now I'm at like 13.
Do you think you're at 13?
Yeah, I think
I
I'm
don't know
at
about 13. Let's see.
I think I'm at 14. Well, now I'm at 14. Okay, now I'm at 14. And 16.
It's gonna be nice tomorrow.
That face looks salad.
My face.
18.
6 minutes.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna get 20, and I'm not gonna get 30. That thing about the juice is kind of like the food. It sits on top of the food, so it's like making less space. I feel like I can't do this.
You can't do it. Why you have?
That's
You
so
tap out? You done? You full? Ew, don't talk. Okay, just eat, just eat. Chew it up.
Give it out.
You want a paper towel?
Cover your mouth with that. Don't spit in it. I'm saying cover your mouth like this.
You gonna spit in it?
That means you get 3 points deducted.
No, he didn't do
If you
it.
spit in
Good
it,
job.
you get 3 points deducted. Oh, there's 6 more minutes.
Really, sir? You put chapstick on.
Yeah. I can't do it anymore.
You can't. You done? Right. Sorry.
This is going to be my 19th or 18th. I'm going to say 19th.
Boy. Yeah, I he throwing up. So Eric tapped out. He couldn't do it. Eric, can't believe you're still eating.
I can't either.
4 minutes left.
5 minutes.
4. You done? You still eating, son?
Yeah. No, I'm just eating this last one.
Oh.
It's so hard. I wonder how much chicken nuggets I got in my body.
You gotta look at the video machine.
Probably like 24. 23. 24.
I don't see 30. I don't see.
I'm probably gonna make it to 40. Because I'm in my 20s.
You're not in your 20s.
Yes, I am. In my chicken nuggets? Yeah, I am.
Oh, I thought you was talking about in real life.
In real life.
Yeah, like in
Oh, okay. I understand what you're saying. 3 minutes.
Maybe is gonna win.
I already did one. You tapped out. I won automatically, but I'm gonna see the bell eat.
I don't think you're gonna be able to eat 100 chicken nuggets.
I mean, I didn't it?
Yeah, you did.
This is my side versus Eric's side. Okay, I'm gonna draw a line. Wait, I'm gonna draw a line.
You getting full now?
Probably my 29. Into there, 29.
I'm playing back again.
You can't. You tapped out already.
No, yeah, you did tap out.
Because I'm
Okay, you guys. So, there's 2 minutes left. And I'm trying to make it. I have to use the restroom, to be honest.
You have to use the bathroom. Oh, don't eat no more. We can't do it. So as you can see, Saray tried hard. She did. Brother Junior, on the other hand, he's like, you know what? He tapped out. But it is okay, Eric. It's okay. Saray, good job. Good job. You did good, Saray. You done?
Ooh, this kind of looks like an ear.
Wait, doesn't this look like a
Don't eat no more to where you get sick.
I don't sick. I was just burping.
Okay. So it's one. I wonder how many you ate, Saray.
A lot.
I ate a lot too. A little bit of a lot.
She's done. 2 minutes left.
I thought it was 32 minutes. It's been 1 minute.
Now it's 1 minute.
It's alright.
Told you I was right.
It's 1 minute. Okay. You done? Yeah, you look like you're full.
I am done.
Alright. So,
I made it to 49 seconds.
I don't know how. I don't.
alright. Well, good job to the both of you guys. Y'all try.
We'll tell you guys in the edits who ate the most.
Alright.
But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you
Like,
Make sure you
comment,
make sure you share
and turn on your notifications so you can see more of us.
and subscribe. Oh yeah, it's true. Say it.
And turn on your notifications so you can see more of us and our family.
Bye. I did this, P. I'll tell you guys. So, there's 2 minutes left. And I'll try to make it. I have to use the restroom, to be honest.
You have to use the bathroom. Oh, don't eat no more. We can't do it. So as you can see, Saray tried hard. She did. Brother Junior, on the other hand, he's like, you know what? He tapped out. But it is okay, Eric. It's okay. Saray, good job. Good job. You did good, Saray. You done?
Ooh, this kind of looks like an ear. Wait, doesn't this look like a
Don't
ear?
eat no more to where you get sick.
I don't think I was just burping.
Okay. So it's one. I wonder how many you ate, Saray.
A lot.
I ate a lot too. Little bit of a lot. She's done.
2 minutes left.
I thought it was 32 minutes. It's been 1 minute.
Now it's 1 minute.
It's alright.
Told you I was right.
It's 1 minute. Okay. You done? Yeah, you look like you're full.
I am done.
Alright. So,
I made it to 49 seconds.
I don't know how. I don't.
alright. Well, good job to the both of you guys. Y'all try.
We'll tell you guys in the edits who ate the most.
Alright.
But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you
Like,
Make sure you
comment,
Make sure you share
and turn on your notifications so you can see more of us.
and subscribe. Oh yeah, it's true. Say it.
And turn on your notifications so you can see more of us and our family.
Bye.